How to replace a human touch Novo XT Pro or XT Pro SE footrest actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, small flat head screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, 10 and 13mm open wrenches, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, if you're working on a Novo XT Pro, we'll remove the foot and calf massager. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the foot and calf massager mounting post, remove it. Remove the retaining clip by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the other foot and calf massager mounting post, remove it. Remove the retaining clip by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose. Press the upper connector release tab, then pull outward to disconnect the connectors. You may need to pry the two connectors apart using a small flathead screwdriver. Press the lower connector release tab, then disconnect the connectors. Move the foot and calf massager out of the way. Next, we'll remove the front plastic covers. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front cover, then remove the cover. If you are working on a Novo XT Pro SE, you will need to lift the calf massager out of the way. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the upper front cover, then remove the cover. Note that the Novo XT Pro has 5 screws, while the Novo XT Pro SE has 3 screws. Next, we'll remove the footrest actuator. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Using a 13mm open wrench on the top and a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator. Pull the actuator out of the mounting point, then remove the insert. Using a 10mm open wrench on the top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom, remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator. Pull the actuator out of the mounting point, then remove the inserts. Cut the zip tie that secures the coiled actuator cables. Thread a screwdriver shaft through the holes on each side of the connector junction box, then pry the lid off the box. Remove the lid, then disconnect the red footrest actuator connectors. Remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. First, we'll install the new footrest actuator. Using a 10mm and a 13mm Allen wrench, remove the nut, bolt, and inserts from the front actuator mounting point. Place the actuator into position, with the motor pointing downward, then align the rear mounting points. Remove the twist tie that secures the rear insert. Install the bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 13mm open wrench on top and a 6mm Allen wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Feed the actuator cable behind the actuator shaft, then connect the connector to the red connector from the chair. Position both sets of connectors inside the connector junction box, with the cables running in one side of the box and out the other, then snap the junction box cover into place. Coil the actuator cables, then secure them using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Place a white plastic insert into one end of the metal insert, then feed it through the front actuator mounting point from the bottom. Place the other white plastic insert on top of the metal insert, then align the front mounting points. Replace the front bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use a 10mm open wrench on the top and a 13mm open wrench on the bottom to finish tightening the nut. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Next, we'll replace the front covers. If you are working on a Novo XT Pro, feed the connector bank through the hole in the upper cover. Place the cover into position, aligning the screw holes, then replace and partially tighten the screws to secure it. Note that the Novo XT Pro has 5 screws, while the Novo XT Pro SE has 3 screws. If you're working on a Novo XT Pro, lift the metal bracket into place before replacing those 2 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Slide the lower cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, if you're working on a Novo XT Pro, we'll replace the foot and calf massager. Connect both foot and calf massager connectors to the corresponding connectors on the chair. Connect the air hose to the chair, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post. Replace the clip to secure it, making sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other bracket onto the mounting post. Replace the clip to secure it, making sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Replace the plastic spacer on each side, between the mounting bracket and the side panel. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.